So friction is that guy who helps us walking every single day. And friction also helps the cars to accelerate. Friction is not just interlocking, but it's also electromagnetic attraction between the charged particles of the surface. Now, there are two types of friction: kinetic friction and static friction. When an object moves with respect to other surface. Now, with respect to, it just means that our point of view, or just the point of view with respect to the surface, like as if he's having some eyes and he's looking at this. So you'll see that the box is going this way, so it will try to oppose the motion, so it will put a force opposing the motion, so the friction will act this way. The kinetic friction can be given as nu and normal. Here, nu is different with that one we deal in static friction. Now, and this is generally lesser than the static one. Now, mg will be normal in general case, as if in this case, when there is no inclination, there is mg, there is normal, which is equal to mg. So static friction happens when there is no relative motion between the point of contact. Here I represent it by POC. So there is no motion, means with respect to each other, but the surface and the body, they are at rest. So in that case, let's say we are applying an F force on a block of mass m, then the static friction, due to static friction, the same amount of force will be applied in the opposite direction of the external force. So if we are applying F force here, friction will act here just to make it not move. Yeah, so friction is basically not allowing to move our body, and yeah, it just opposes the related motion. That's it. So static friction can be given as F is equal to nu s normal. Similarly, just this constant will change. That's called coefficient of friction. And yep, so this man will be able to finally make it into motion if he applies friction more than his limiting friction. And limiting friction will be the max value of friction, which will be nu as mg in this case.